Do we control our emotions or our emotions control us? This is a question that we need to ask ourselves time and again. But in order to get an answer to this question, it is imperative that we should be able to understand, to recognize, and eventually to be able to manage our emotions. And this is the very definition of emotional intelligence, and that is the idea on which this workshop has been designed. During this 2 days of highly interactive workshop, in which there would be a number of activities and hands-on experience, myself, Fareed Qureshi, and my colleague Aisha Shiraz will be taking you through the 4 basic components of emotional intelligence. 2 of them which are related with intrapersonal communication, and they are self-awareness and self-regulation. The other 2 are related with the interpersonal communication, which are social awareness and relationship management. And we'll also be discussing about empathy, and eventually the target would be to be more emotionally intelligent and emotionally resilient in the face of various setbacks that we face during the course of our lives. So I would request you to please don't miss this opportunity to transform the way we navigate our emotions and build deeper connections. Please join tracks. Thank you.